Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange eFootball points for item in eFootball 2024. So this item is very useful in training your player. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how this game works and how you can charge the event, how you can complete the quest and mission so you get ton of rewards from it. Let's get started by tap the shop. Tap the middle one, eFootball points. You can exchange eFootball points here. Tap the last one, the items. Exchange your point for item useful in training your player. So for example, you need experience 400 training program. You can exchange it by 1000 eFootball points or contract renewal 16 days by 25. If you save the points, you can exchange with 25,000 contract renewal 60 days. But the cheap one is here 5,000. You can get the contract renewal by only 5,000, remaining one, and many more. You can try one by one if you have more than 5,000 eFootball points. Thank you for watching. Please use eFootball points wisely. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click text button below. Enjoy the game.